Well, hello and thanks for tuning in. My name's Joel Tucker and I'm coming to you from Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we've been in business for 63 plus years, bringing you great RVs at great values. Today, I have the honor of showing you a Keystone Hideout 2019 292MLS. It's a rear kitchen floor plan with a super slide, a lot of storage. You'll love it. It weighs 8,300 pounds, about 29 feet in length, and overall great floor plan, so hang tight and we'll take a look. Well, here we are. We're on the outside of this hideout. We're gonna start in the back area because it has a lot of cool things going on back here, like your roof ladder for your maintenance. Kind of cool to have that on your fifth wheel. Spare tire, if you do unfortunately come up with a flat, you have a spare tire to get you back on the road and to your camping trip. And of course, you have your outdoor shower as well for your hot and cold water. You get your water for your pets. You can wash your hands, stay clean. Very cool feature on this hideout. And my personal favorite thing is to have is your camp kitchen back here. You can't go wrong with having your cooktop right back here. That way you can cook up your bacon. If you want to cook some fish up, you don't have those odors really going through your trailer. You can do it right outside of your hideout fifth wheel. Also, you have a nice refrigerator back here for any condiments. You know, pop juice boxes for the kids. Nice feature to have this out here, that way you're not having to go back inside every so often to get those beverages that you do want while you camp. But you just push it back on in here, close it up, and then you are all set and good to go. Now, one thing about this hideout as well, it does have power jacks, which you would lower that down once you get your campground, makes it nice and stable for you, not moving around so on your site there. So that's kind of cool feature to have on this hideout. Moving down, you can see we have this big power awning with this tilt feature here. If you do want, make sure your water will run off, or you need the sun's coming down, you want a better angle, you can lower this down very easily. And it will also break in the middle if you do have water collection. It will just dump the water right off for you. And again, you have your LED lights through on the roof here as well. Extra light at nighttime. A lot of windows for natural light, as you can tell, throughout the side of this coach here. As we enter the coach, you'll see we have 3 steps and a large grab handle, easy access. This does come with a cold mountain package, which means you have a heated enclosed underbelly. If you do camp late in the fall or early spring, this helps out a lot to keep your tanks from freezing on you. So very nice to have that on this Keystone Hideout product. But from here, we'll head inside to go a quick walk around and see what you think about the inside. Well, hello there. Thanks for sticking with us here. I'm inside this Keystone Hideout. I want to show you the great floor plan that this will give you. If you're looking for a half-ton towable fifth wheel, this might be the one for you. It's a new floor plan that just came out this year, and we've been doing really well with it so far. Got a lot of good reviews on it, so I think you'll like it. As you can tell, with a super slide here, you do get a lot of seating, a lot of windows with your theater seats that recline, some cup holders, a storage area here as well for your remotes or whatnot. Storage above, this nice, really modern glass insert, nice handles as well to open that up. We have your day-night shades here as well. You got table and chairs, freestanding, nice to play games, play cards. Your meals can be very nice there with some extra guests. And you're gonna make those meals in this gorgeous kitchen here with a ton of countertop space and storage with cabinetry. First of all, this is a one-piece countertop, so no more T-molds around the edges here. This lasts a lot longer. Got your residential pull-down faucet with your farm-style single bowl sink, which is stainless steel as well. As you can tell, there are some cool lighting effects as well. You have some nice lighting down below here behind the TV, so kind of extra nice to have those extra lights, amenities in case you are camping and it's nighttime. You want to be able to see through your kitchen without having to turn the main lights on. Nice feature to have. Again, storage galore throughout here. Some nice cupboards here. They are shelved units. Plenty of space for your plates, for your wine tumblers, which are being sold currently in our camp store department, which as a new customer, you do get 10% off as well, so keep that in mind. But again, you do have plenty of room in here for your goodies to be stored away. One thing I do like to mention as well, you do have these 2 windows on both sides here. So if you have kids out front camping or having a good time, you can make sure if you're cooking meals, you can see what's going on out there. So nice to have windows in the kitchen actually. You have a glass top over your cooktop here, which is a 3-burner cooktop. This really does extend your countertop space. Oven, microwave, vent fan, 8 cubic foot refrigerator, freezer combo here, which does run on both propane and electricity. And then of course, we all need a pantry in your kitchen, right? So you got plenty of space down there for your boxed goods, canned goods, chips, crackers, things like that. You got plenty of room in this kitchen. along with 2 more drawers down below here, and a nice area ripple sink for a trash can, so wide open spot down there. Moving to your entertainment center, right across from your theater seats will be your 50-inch Summit flat screen TV to watch your movies, sports on. Nice feature there, and it does, as you can tell, it does move around for you as well. Comes with your DVD player, CD player, Bluetooth connectivity, and radio. Storage shelf below, and storage below here as well for those DVDs and or shoes or what else you want to put in there. You have room for much of everything. And then again, not only do you get the chairs, you get a couch as well, which does act as your trifold sofa. So if you do have guests over that want to stay the night with you, it's very easy to get them accommodated and ready for a good night's sleep. You flip out the 2 legs here, set it down, flip over this back part here, and you are ready to accommodate your guests. Very nice trifold sofa there, with storage right above here as well. Plenty of space back there. So let's go ahead and put this back together real quick, and we'll move on to the bedroom and bathroom. Voila, you are good to go. And as you step up the 2 steps here, you'll see right on the wall will be your hideout, the panel for your hideout here. It will control your lights, your hot water heater, your water pump, your awning, and the controls for your awning itself to run it out, and then also your slide as well. And then you have your Coleman AC and furnace right there, controls for your AC and your furnace. So right there, easy access for you guys at all times. But first of all, we got a bathroom right here. So step on into the bathroom. You have your porcelain foot flush toilet, a nice linen closet right there for all your towels and extra goodies. And you do have a nice size shower as well with glass doors and a seat. You got a vanity, mirror, sink, and plenty of storage beneath the sink as well. So overall, nice size bathroom to get going for the day. And then after that, you have your front bedroom with a queen bed, overhead storage, and you can't forget your accessories again. Life is better at the campsite. Nice hat. Again, you pick up at our camp store. Again, bedroom, nice size room here. Plenty of storage, as you can tell. One cool thing we did this year is we got you this extra wardrobe here for all your clothes to be hung up there. You got your hang up bar there. And these are regular hangers as well. You don't need to worry about the shorter hangers because there's enough depth in its closet for you to hang up with a regular hanger actually. Shelf below there, you got your 3 drawers here for bigger items, your jeans, your shirts, socks, things like that. You do have a spot as well for a TV. If you do want a TV in here, you can do a pretty good sized television in here. You can mount right here on the wall because you have your hookups right above here. And you do have windows on both sides as well. That way you can get some extra ventilation if you don't want to run the AC unit. And again, last thing, there is storage underneath your bed as well for extra linens, blankets, pillows. You really can do it all in this couple's 5th wheel. Well, we did it, guys. We completed our walkthrough video of this Keystone Hideout 292MLS. A lot of cool things on the inside and outside. If you have any questions, give me a call at any time at 616-965-9623. We do take trades of all kinds. We do ship nationwide, and we offer great financing. So please, if this 5th wheel might suit the needs that you're looking for, then give me a phone call. Again, I'm at Veurink Service Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Love to earn your business. Thank you so much, and have a great day.